Get off the catwalk, I want you to talk, to be the seer. Instead of the scene, there is a flower, a leaning tower, and all of the wonders standing between. I don't wanna be another mystery, oh no. I don't wanna see who's looking at me, oh no. I wanna be the one to feel the sun, oh, oh. So if you wanna see the world with me, let's go. The alligator, the god that made her, and all the creatures that got left behind in Mycenae, Ave Maria, and everything you gotta dig hard to find. I don't wanna be a vapor of heavenly light. Everybody guess if I'm an angel or sprite. I don't wanna be another mystery, oh no. I don't wanna see who's looking at me, oh no. I wanna be the one to feel the sun, oh, oh. So if you wanna see the world with me, let's go. You could pursue it, hell I could do it. I'll just be quiet when I get angry and hurt. I'm stopping traffic, cinematographic, with my long black coat hanging down in the dirt in my hair, clinging to my face in the rain like a goddess from the cult of beautiful pain. I don't wanna be another mystery. I don't wanna be another mystery. I could cut you off with a shoulder of stone, smoke all night and leave the party alone. Screw myself with an inscrutable pout, but I just want you to come figure me out. I don't wanna be another mystery, oh no. I don't wanna see who's looking at me, oh no. I wanna be the one to feel the sun, oh, oh. So if you wanna see the world with me, let's go.